in fourth standard.
Okay, good. And which is your favorite subject?
My favorite subject is English. My hobby is playing football.
Is to play football. Is to play football. Okay.
Sir, what's your name?
My name is Vipul. You can already read it there. And I am a personality development trainer. Like you, I teach a lot of students in their schools, colleges, and companies as well. And then I'm a trainer at Clappingo. This is what I do. Okay.
Okay, sir.
Yeah. Do you have any questions for me? Do you want to ask something?
Sir, where do you live?
Where do I live? I live in Uttarakhand. Devbhumi Uttarakhand, as we call it here. Have you heard about Uttarakhand?
No, I have heard about it, but I have never visited.
I have never visited Uttarakhand. Okay. With has, have, or had, we always use third form of the verb. Like in your state, there are more plain areas, right? In Uttarakhand, there are more hilly areas. So there's a very young mountain range over here. And that mountain range is called, do you know the name of that mountain range? Tell me. The biggest mountain range.
Mount Everest.
No, mountain range. That's a peak. And Mount Everest is a part of that mountain range. And when I say you will know it, and that is Himalayas. You must have heard about it.
Yes, in stories I have heard.
In stories. Okay. The Himalayan mountain range. And Mount Everest is a peak that is in the Himalayan range only. It's in Nepal. You know, Uttarakhand shares a border with Nepal also. Also, I'm a big fan of books. I read a lot of books. Do you read books?
Yes, sir, I read.
Your school books or some novels also?
No, sir, I don't have novel books. But my school's books are story books. Inside that,
okay,
which are yellow color or black color, that is my vocabulary.
Okay, good.
That
Now,
book
talking. Okay, great. Now, speaking more about celebrities, do you know the meaning of celebrities? Let me just type it. Do you know the meaning of it?
No, sir, I don't know its meaning.
Celebrities mean a person who is very popular or renowned. Okay, renowned people who are known to many people, public figures they are called. So when you say celebrity, yeah, obviously Mr. Narendra Modi is also a celebrity now because he is the Prime Minister of the country. People know him. He is a public figure. Likewise, there are many other celebrities. Sports persons can also be celebrities. You said that you like to play football. Do you like to watch football also? Is there any favorite player of yours?
No, sir, I don't like watching because it's so boring.
Okay. You are too honest, I must say. But have you? Can you tell me a little about some story that you read in the recent past in your school book?
In my school.
Narrate a story.
In my book, there are so many stories. First one, all the chapters are completed. There was a little tortoise who wished to fly in the sky. One day, he lived in a tank. He made some friends. He made friends with two geese who used to come and visit him. Sometimes. He have to leave this city to find another.
Okay.
So what happened? The one said, "No, we can't leave our friend here alone." Then another geese said, "But he can't fly either."
Please continue.
I don't know which game. They were going to find another lake.
Okay.
So then the geese said, "Okay, I have an idea. We can take a stick."
I have an idea.
I have an idea. So the geese asked the tortoise to hold the stick with his mouth and don't talk. And the two geese were holding the stick and they were
Okay.
flying. But suddenly the tortoise let he start talking because he was so excited. He said, "No, my other friends can't fly." He said. Then he fall down and he was he what to say, he died. These were holding while they were flying. Suddenly